in this assignment, it says draw all the necessary components of the coordinate plane on the blank 20 by 20 grid provided below. 20 by 20 grid means that there's 20 here and 20 there. No big deal. Placing the origin at the center of the grid and letting each grid line represent one unit. That just means you put the line right down the middle. I think I'm pretty close. And when they say that each grid line represents one unit, that means that each of these is 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of them is one unit. When you are done labeling all the positive numbers here, negative, negative, all you're going to do is just plot all of these points on the grid above. You guys can do that on your own. Now here you're going to do the same thing. It says draw the coordinate plane on the grid below and then locate and label the following points. But if you notice, all the x numbers are pretty much like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can just do all the x-axis 1, 2, and you count each unit by 1. But if you notice all the y-axis numbers, they're multiples of 5. So that means you need a skip count on the y-axis by 5. And then you label those points. Now on this one, you do the same thing. Now and on this one, if you notice, all the y-axis numbers, they're all single integers. But if you notice, for the x-axis, they're decimals. They go by 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. So you're eventually going to have to start. This is 0. This will have to be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Oops, that was incorrect. 0.3, 0.4, and etc., etc. So once you're done putting the lines, and you put all the numbers for the x-axis and y-axis, then you just plot all these points.